Hi, Pure Souls. Today's spiritual latte, we're talking about energy maintenance. I feel like this is something I cover all the time on my channel about not only clearing your own energy, but clearing out the energy of your house and clearing out the old energy of the thoughts and the programs that we have running that can deter us from doing what we want and give us these feelings of heaviness. Because when we're feeling heavy, that means something is weighing us down. And when something is weighing us down, that means there's a lot of it, whether it's emotions or unrepressed thoughts that we want to get out. In order to let ourselves release, we have to feel safe. And if we share space with our families or a partner, maybe there's a part of us that doesn't feel safe yet to really fully express that anger or sadness, or we just don't have the time to. So I just want to show you a little practice that I do, my hypnosis sessions, which is even better because then you're in this really tranced out, relaxed state and your logical mind isn't like, what is this going on? So I invite you to close your eyes and locate the part inside of you with closed eyes that is the part that's mean to you, that tells you you should be doing something else, you're not doing enough. And just imagine that you could suck it up like a vacuum and then exhale it out. Find that part of you that maybe believed what other people told you that didn't make you feel good. And breathe it out. So using your breath as a vacuum, and this turns on your imagination. It also empowers you because then you get to believe that you could just suck up these negative thoughts like you vacuum the dust bunnies off of a rug. And maybe that's all these thoughts are if we just give them this visual of being a little cloud of dust in our psyche. So go ahead and do that again. Imagine that negative voice in you as a little dust ball that you could just pull up with your breath. Maybe it's in the corners of your hips and just exhale it out. So feel free to use this technique as often as possible. And as you know, I offer hypnosis and I have recordings that are available that can do this process, but on a much deeper level. And I hope that you are enjoying your spiritual latte. Please subscribe and come back for more videos.